welcome to the Annapolis Boat Show. My name is Bill Hurd, and I work with MarineMax, and we are proud to present the world premiere of the brand new Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. This is a great crossover boat. As we step on board here, you can see a nice large swim platform. This boat is equipped with twin Mercury 300s. Those have joystick power. Over that when we get up to the helm. But just as we come on, you see a great seating option here. You have some rear-facing seating, so when the kids are down in the water, if you're hanging out at a sandbar or something like that, just a great gathering area, entertainment space. And then you can easily flip this back, have this lay down as a nice sun pad. You get your stereo controls. So again, hanging out, friends, family, whatever you're doing for the day, just an incredible area and space to entertain and have fun. As we keep coming in, you'll notice the little galley area is set up in a great spot. You got a sink and a cooktop. That's kind of away from the hardtop, and then it's easy to kind of get stuff overboard if you have to. You're not worried about getting all the smoke and everything underneath and bothering your guests for the day. As we continue around, you see the refrigerator right there underneath. You got storage under all the seats. Safety grab handles. You got cup holders hidden in the gunnels there, so you don't have anything to trip over. Nice, large, expansive hardtop. This extended sunshade does come off the back. Great option again for when you are hanging out. If you want to get out of the sun and take a break, you don't have to end your day. You just pop that out and you can continue enjoying your time on the water. As we continue forward, you'll see again, nice large gathering area. They really want to maximize this 11-foot 8-inch beam. Great wide boat. Again, want to put a lot of people on there and enjoy your time out for the day. Continuing up to the helm area, this boat does have the twin Simrad screens. Very user-friendly for the captain. You can have your engine data, your maps, your depth, everything that you need to control the vessel as the captain. This one is equipped with the Mercury Joystick. It's got the skyhook feature, so if you're sitting waiting for a dock to open up or a slip, you just put that skyhook on, you can tie up some lines and some fenders. New Mercury controls there, trim tabs, and then you also have a phone charger here, which is nice. It's got the wireless charging pad right there. Dual helm seat, so you can have somebody sitting with you as a captain. And then as you come over here to the port side of the boat, nice chair there as well. It does convertible back and forth, so you can have somebody rear facing, or if you want to just add to this entertainment area, this large cockpit, you can do that and have additional seating. Up top here, we do have a sunroof that opens up. If you want to get some additional sun in here, you can do that, or a little bit more airflow as well. So we go down here into the cabin area. This is one of the nice parts about this boat. Very luxury finishes. You get another refrigerator, microwave over here in the corner. You can control your stereo down here. You have a little bit of a aft sleeper here as well. So great boat for, family with 2 kids. You can spend a long weekend out on the water, take the boat somewhere and just kind of hang out. You don't have to worry about getting a hotel room. You can do everything right on board. Nice large head compartment as well with a shower in there. So again, for those weekend gatherings, you don't have to worry about finding somewhere to stay. You can just stay right on the boat. As we head up to the bow area here, you can see we have this port side walkthrough, which creates that space for this cabin area underneath. Great design. We're seeing that across the board with a lot of companies, but they really did this. It's a good layout. It adds space down to the bottom. Nice height that you get under there. You can see me down there. I'm 6'2". Don't have to worry about fit. As we come in here, you've got the windshield that crosses over, so if you want to cut down some air, you can do that, as well as close this door here. And then we come up to this nice, spacious bow area. I've got little kids, 7 and 4. I love the height of this boat on the gunnels. I feel very safe and comfortable having my family aboard this boat. You can see when I sit down, I'm sitting in the boat. I don't feel like I'm riding up on top of it. Just an incredible ride. Great job that Cruisers Yachts did with MarineMax on the creation of this boat, this 34 GLS. If you have any questions, please contact your local dealer. We'd love to help you out or give you a private showing. And again, if you're in the Annapolis area and you want to come down to the show here on the last day, you're welcome to do that and stop by our booth. Again, my name is Bill Hurd. If you have any questions, reach out to us, and we'd love to help you out and get you on the water.